Hey everyone, if you're stuck on the Google Meet, waiting for others' screen and the meeting just won't start, don't worry, this is a pretty common issue. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get past that screen and join your meeting normally. Let's get started. First, try the simplest fix, refresh the page or leave the meeting and rejoin. Sometimes Google Meet just gets stuck loading the session, and a quick reconnect fixes it instantly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. So if your network is weak or dropping packets, Google Meet can get stuck on the waiting screen. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can sometimes prevent Google Meet from loading properly, causing that endless waiting screen. If the issue continues, try opening Google Meet in incognito mode or a different browser. Yeah, this helps bypass extensions or stored data that might be causing the problem. Now check your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Google Meet loading properly, so disable anything unnecessary and try again. After trying these fixes, rejoin your Google Meet session and see if the issue is resolved. If everything is working correctly, you should go straight into the meeting without getting stuck on the waiting screen. And that's how you fix the Google Meet waiting for others error. These simple steps usually solve the issue quickly so you can join your meetings without delays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.